Okay, the first operation is to remove the pedal slave assembly from the body. You need a 2.5mm Allen key to remove 3 of the screws at the back. And a 5mm Allen key to remove the top bolt. Then we simply fold the lever outwards and it pops off the slave assembly. Okay, the next step, remove the handlebar clamp. What I recommend is using a low strength Loctite or thread locker, such as this, 222, and just putting a few drops on the end section, a portion of the threads. Okay, we then transfer the unit onto the bike. Okay, now with the ClakeTwo, you first of all, to enable you to fold the levers out, you've got to unscrew this backstop here. This backstop's actually a shear pin, and that little section will shear off if the brake lever gets forced out, and that drops into a little pocket there. You'll still be able to ride the bike home, but you should replace it if it does happen. And the idea of it is to prevent the levers from being forced out if you accidentally lose grip on the bars and push on that side. Now, there's another aspect to once that stops out, you will be able to fold the levers out like that, and that will help with the bleeding process, as you'll see later. The one other point with the ClakeTwo is this adjuster here. Now, this adjuster gives you clutch action off rear brake action, so that if we pull the brake lever in, you'll see it then starts to move the clutch at a certain point. Now, one thing with this is you must make sure that you've always got a little bit of free play. So, and it only has to be a small amount, so you just be like that. It can even be slightly less, just so long as there is some free play, otherwise you may experience clutch slip.